You know, we are pinpointing the tropics. We have been talking about this for days now. This will likely get the name Alex and be our first tropical storm of the season. It is moving into warm ocean waters in the southern Gulf of Mexico eventually today, and it will be encountering some of those upper level winds that will try to break it up a little bit. Still, though, likely to become a tropical storm. On the very low end, though, it takes 39-mile-per-hour winds and greater to become a tropical storm. The hurricane hunters have found winds up to 40 miles per hour, but technically it doesn't have all the scientific parameters in order to get that classification. That will again likely happen today, though. And here is the latest track. We're zooming in on the track for you, the cone, so you know where it's likely headed. At least this is where the Hurricane Center is putting it for now. It has shifted much farther south than what we were seeing at 11 o'clock last night, which is some good news. It does not include any of Central Florida except for far southern Brevard County. Now, the timeline would be late tonight when we begin to see rain moving in, and then ongoing rain chances through the day on Saturday. Mainly light rain for central zones, but our southern zones, southern Osceola and southern Brevard, would see the chance for the heaviest rain, and that would be the greatest impact, up to 1 to 3 inches from the model data that we're looking at right now. So we're not going to see a ton of rain out of this, and we could see a few stronger wind gusts greater than 45, maybe 50 miles per hour. But that's not going to be widespread either. So this is not a huge deal, but it is something that bears watching. If we see any shift in that cone, we can see a major difference. For now, though, most of us not in the cone. Here are the rain totals that the computer models are estimating, less than 2 inches, but we're again forecasting possibly 2 to even 3 inches of rain in far southern Brevard County, mainly south of Melbourne. And then other parts like Orlando and Sanford could see some rain totals up to about 1/4 to even 1/2 inch, depending on how long we see this move over Central Florida, likely out of here by Sunday. Here are the temperatures right now, the low and mid 70s across Central Florida. Here is your pinpoint accurate forecast for today. Most of the day dry. We'll see a 30% coverage of rain this afternoon, going up into the evening and late night hours. And then tomorrow through the day, rain chances increase. But again, you know how these tropical systems work, or if you don't, we'll tell you. We see waves of rain, then we see some sunshine break out, then waves of rain, then sunshine breaking out. So that'll be the story for your Saturday. Don't expect it to rain all day, all the time. And then eventually that system Saturday night pushes away and we look much drier by Sunday. Although we do have some rain chances for Sunday. We'll get to that. Area-wide today, high temperatures near 90, the upper 80s along the coast, inland the low 90s. Now here is your 7-day forecast as we get results and we take you into the weekend. You notice an 80% coverage of on and off rain for the first part of the day, even on into the afternoon on Saturday. But by Saturday night, we taper rain chances off, and we may even bump Sunday's 50% chance for rain down a little bit, depending on this system.